If you need to clean up your schedule and remove an event from Google Calendar, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete Google Calendar events on your computer in just a few simple clicks. This is a useful trick whether you created the event by mistake, no longer need the meeting, or just want to keep your calendar organized and clutter-free. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com in your browser and signing in if you aren't already. Once your calendar loads, take a moment to look through your schedule and find the event you want to delete. You can switch between day, week or month view, depending on how your calendar is organized, which can make it easier to locate the event quickly. When you find the event, click on it to open the event details. This will bring up all the information connected to that calendar entry, including the title, time, and any notes or guests. Now, look for the delete option, shown by the trash can icon. Click delete to remove the event from your calendar. In many cases, the event will disappear right away, and it will no longer appear in your schedule. If the event has guests, deleting it may also send a cancellation notice, so keep that in mind before you confirm the action. If you just want to remove a repeating event, you may be asked whether you want to delete only this event or the entire series, so be sure to choose the option that matches what you need. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a Google Calendar event on your computer. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.